Oushangyuan Process and Equipment Intelligent Co., a national-level specialized, restricted, innovative, and promising Shripi enterprise, established in 2011 and located in the beautiful coastal city, Tianjin. Oushangyuan is an industry pioneer and technology leader that focuses on the overall process design of production lines for starch, glucose, sucrose, functional sugar, biological fermentation, synthetic and lactic acid. Main business involves the design, production, manufacturing, installation, and commissioning of core intelligent equipment. Oushangyuan integrates one-stop EPC process, full industrial chain, and comprehensive services. Company, with its advanced process design concepts, provides advanced equipment, process routes, and intelligent factory construction solutions to domestic and foreign customers. Based on production, quality as foundation, we are committed to becoming the leading equipment manufacturer in the field of synthetic biology. Currently, we manufactured 15 sets of complete equipment. In terms of business, we joined and established cornstarch project, 15 million tons per year, glucose project, more than 8 million tons per year, functional sugar project, 0.6 million tons per year, organic acid project, 0.5 million tons per year. Oushangyuan has always adhered to the company philosophy of sharing the dividends brought by quality improvement, energy conservation, consumption reduction, and efficiency increase with customers, creates value for customers with outstanding products, and is a major manufacturer of purification equipment in the biomanufacturing industry. In the field of sugar production, our advanced and efficient separation and purification equipment have been widely applied in the decalcification of thin beet sugar and clear cane sugar, as well as in the decolorization, desalination, deodorization, decalcification, and brine recovery of sugar syrup. Meanwhile, our evaporator system, crystallizer, and rotary drum drying and cooling systems have also demonstrated outstanding performance. Our R&D team has successfully completed the development of technologies for producing flavored syrup from molasses, as well as for extracting sugar and betawine from molasses. Oushangyuan has now achieved scientific and technological appraisal results with international leading level 6 items. Domestic leading level 3 item holds over 200 patents and 12 proprietary intellectual property strains. Participated in the compilation of 2 national standards, 3 industry standards, and formulated for enterprise standards. In today's era of Industry 4.0, Oushangyuan, through the construction of a brand new intelligent factory, has continuously optimized and upgraded its control system by means of digital transformation and intelligent production in the industry, providing customers with tailor-made technical support and engineering solutions. Oushangyuan has now completed the development of multiple production lines and single machine equipment's automatic control systems. All functions are complete and easy to maintain. Automation rate is over 95%. Many of the factories constructed have been rated as national-level intelligent factories. On the path of rapid development, we are well aware that talents are the vital carriers of an enterprise's vitality. In recent years, we have actively recruited talents and cultivated a group of well-rounded and competent key employees. With their superb skills and vigorous spirit, they diligently safeguard the healthy growth of the enterprise's life tree and drive the young steel giant of Oushangyuan to steadily advance in the tide of the times. Dare to strive and pursue excellence. Oushangyuan has always firmly adhered to the goal of enabling the world to better recognize the wisdom and vision of the Chinese people. Relying on its comprehensive strength in advanced process technology, software design, and equipment manufacturing, it has achieved leapfrog development and outstanding achievements. With boundless prospects, we embark on a new journey together. Shouldering its mission, Oushangyuan leads customers with professional technology, wins customers with sincere services, and joins hands to contribute to created in China and build a world-renowned national brand.